Have you ever asked yourself how you can make more money? Well, if that is you and you are tired of not making six figures, then this video is the perfect fit for you. I will tell you how to find some business income source ideas and how you can choose the right one for you. I'm also going to go over how I found my job options and which one I ultimately ended up with, which may be the perfect option for you as well. It's very simple and easy to make six figures in this day and age with the technology. You just have to want it enough for yourself. My name is Benjamin Daniker. Welcome to the channel. Stick around as we are diving into this video together. First off, ask and think about the jobs your friends or family have done and what they said about that job. Or if you don't know, just ask your friends and family what they are doing and how they like it. This is not the only source of ideas you can get. You can also look around when you're driving, or if you see a service truck pulling up to your house to do business. Those can give you an idea as well. Maybe you have a job already, or you can research some service jobs in your area. Either way, this will give you a good list to research and see which one sounds the most appealing for you. Growing up, I had family in the construction and similar restoration business. This was a big part of my Romanian culture, which also includes truck driving or senior caregiver, but that last one is not a good option for me. So I tried these that were most accessible to me, and in the end I picked the one that had a great balance of work effort and the money coming in from that work. So take those ideas or your own job and think about how it can be done as its own standing business. And if you are currently in college, you can take the skill you are learning there, or if you're done with college, you have that skill already, try to freelance that. Any job requires effort, especially doing it on your own business, some more than others. So you just have to take from your idea list that we talked about right before and just try a few and see what sticks the best with you. If you have any experience to share about your six-figure income source journey or have any questions about it, just feel free to leave it in the comments down below. So now that you have the list of ideas of what you want to do, and the way I figured it out with my own list of ideas was just trying them all, comparing the money and the lifestyle it requires. I had 4 of those on my idea list, and we'll go into all 4 of them really quickly. Construction, like installing new tile or anything like that, was too hard for me because it's pretty labor intensive, carrying heavy stuff and being on your knees all day. It just wasn't a good long-term strategy for my health. And then trucking, this was easy after learning how to drive a big truck. Actually, it was so easy that it got boring, and I didn't like the lifestyle of being away out of state all the time. And then the caregiver option, it didn't really feel like an option for me to try at all, just because I don't want to wipe someone older than me. And then there was grout and tile restoration, which was pretty simple once I learned it all. I saw huge potential doing it on my own, so I stuck with it. This option I would highly recommend for you to look into as well, since it's the lightest labor and the highest money for your time without any crazy schooling or anything like that. Having the ideas and then trying them all. The goal is to start your own business and then make 6 figures, which eventually will lead to hiring more and more people, where you don't have to do the work anymore and you're just focusing on running a business and growing it. Right now, personally, I'm in the middle of the process of this, where I have a few employees that work, but I still need to grow the leads and everything, so that way I can hire more and stop doing the actual work and just focusing on running the business. Just remember, your first business is not your last business, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Just embrace the grind and the learning curve. I had some prior work experience, so in my first year of my own business, I did 6 figures right away. So if I can do that, you can too. My personal aim is to grow to 7 figures and potentially 8 figures. And once I hit that, look for some new opportunities to grow into. So find service jobs accessible to you, try them out, narrow it down to one, gain experience, and then start your own 6-figure business right away. It's pretty easy to do this, however, it does require a little bit of stress tolerance. It's a pretty uncertain life, so if that's not something for you, this channel might not be the perfect fit for you. If you're interested in diving deeper into this 6-figure business world, then please consider hitting that subscribe button to join me on this journey. I will be bringing out weekly content for you. I appreciate you watching till the end. And with this, the video is over. I'll see you in the next video.